The other day I made a sandwich and I need to tell you about it. It's a deep fried butter chicken naan sandwich and it is exactly how it sounds. First I made a marinade of yogurt, chili powder, garam masala, cumin, turmeric, salt, pepper, lime zest and juiciness, finely chopped some crushed garlic and finally some crushed ginger. Mix all that together and then grab some boneless chicken thighs, slap for tenderness and add to the marinade of a million flavours. Mix them all around to coat completely and then once they're covered, leave for at least an hour or up to 48. While you wait, make a dredge of flour, curry powder, chili flakes, garlic, onion powder, baking powder, black pepper, salt, and then mix everything together. Then grab your marinated chicken and drizzle some of that marinade into the dredge and mix it up to create these craggy little nuggets. This is going to give that dredge more texture and crunch. Grab your marinated chicken and sling it straight into the dredge, tossing everything around until completely coated, and then put it to one side. Then we're making the sauce with sliced red onion, garlic cloves, and fresh ginger. Put a touch of oil into a hot pan and then throw everything in and cook over a high heat until soft and just starting to brown. Then add garam masala, ground coriander, chili powder, a single clove, and a single cardamom. Cook for another minute or two and then add some chopped tomatoes to the pan along with some natural yogurt. Bring everything to the boil, simmer for a few minutes, and then place it all into a blender with lime juice, a touch of butter, and blitz everything together until super smooth. Then put it to one side. Now let's deep fry that chicken at 180 degrees until golden brown, crisp, and looking like this. Oh yeah, that's crispy. A quick dip test for quality control. Then grab some homemade naan, sauce it, spinach, fried chicken, more sauce over the top, and then finish with another naan for good measure. I've got a new sandwich press, so I'm going to give it a blast in that, and then out it comes. Cut into portions, and there you have it, a fried butter chicken naan sandwich. None of these shots even remotely do this sandwich justice, so try it for yourself, add extra sauce, and don't forget to like and follow.